2 times 6, 2 table 3 times. So this is minus 3 by 2. Okay. So in the same way, second one. Here, see, observe these denominators 3 and 5. So these are not like fraction. Okay. Then you have to find the LCM and simplify, or you have to first find the LCM, then convert these fractions into like fractions. Okay, without converting like fractions we can do, by converting these numbers into like fractions also we can do. Okay, general method I am doing. So what is LCM? LCM is 3 5 15. See, when denominators are not possible in any table, then we have to multiply. If possible, suppose if possible means, suppose this is 5 and this is 15. This 5 and 15 are possible in one table, 5 table. Then do LCM. 5 table, how many times? 1 time. 5 table, how many times? 3 times. Then again 1 and 3 not possible in one table. Then multiply. 5 into 1 into 3. What is that? 15. Okay. If table is possible, find the LCM. If table is not possible, in another words, if the two given numbers are co-prime, then we have to multiply. Okay. Instead of that point, I am explaining you, if there is no table, one table is not possible in 3 and 5. So multiply. Now write equal symbol, then put the division bar. See here, write for your convenience 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5, put equal symbol, division bar. In denominator we have to write the LCM. What is LCM? 15 is LCM. Write 15 in the place of denominator. Okay. Now 3 table in 15. How many times it divides? 5 times. 5 times. Then write the numerator. What is numerator? 5 plus 5 table 15. How many times? 3 times. 3 times. What is numerator? 3. See here this 5 and this 3. Then 5 in 15 5 times. 5 in 15, 3 in 15 5 times. 5 in 15 3 times. Now multiply. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 3s are 9 by 15. Don't forget to write this denominator. Okay. Now add this 25. So 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. 34 by this 15. Now 34 and 15 is possible in one table, not possible in one table. So leave it. Okay. Did you understand this one? See next question, third one. See here. Denominators are not same. Now find the LCM. 10 comma 15. Which table is possible? 5 table is possible. 10. How many times? 2 times. 15 3 times. Again 2 and 3 not possible. So multiply. 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2 is 10. 10 3 is 30. So now LCM equal to 30. Now write the question. 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15 is equal to, put the division bar. Don't forget the steps. Look at. Now denominator is 30. What is the first step? Write denominator 30. Now 10 table 30. How many times? 3 times. Into minus 9. Here plus 15 in 30. How many times? 2 times. 2 into 22. Now 9 3s 27 plus 2 22s 44 by 30. Now see here minus plus. That means 44 minus 27. Here 4 becomes 3. This is 14. So 14 minus 7. How much? 7. 3 minus 2, 1. So big number before plus, so right here plus. That means plus 17 by 30. Okay. So now see. Same way, second question. Fourth one. So minus cancel. 3 by 11 plus 5 by 9. See here. What is the LCM? 9 and 11 are not possible in any table. So multiply. 11 nines are 99. Now 11 table in 99. How many times? 9 times. 9 into 3 plus 9 table in 99. How many times? 11 times. 11 into 5. Okay. Now 9 threes are 27 plus 11 fives are 55 by 99. Now add 7 plus 5 12. 1 carry. 3 plus 5 8 by 99. Okay. So now in the same way, next question. Next, fifth question. Minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. So first here plus into minus, minus. Minus 8 by 19 minus 2 by 57. Okay. So next to see here 1957. These two numbers are possible in one table. So find the LCM. Here I am writing LCM. See 1957. This table 19 table is possible. 19 table one time, 19 table 3 times. Now 1 and 3 not possible. So 19 into 1 into 3. So 19 3 is 57. Okay. Now see, write 8 by 19 minus 2 by 57 equals symbol division bar. Now here what we have to write? We have to write LCM 57. Okay. So first here write the question. Put equal symbol, then division bar. Here I have written LCM. Okay. Next step. Now 19 table in 57. How many times? 3 times. Minus 8 into 3. Next here minus symbol is given. So write here minus. Then 57 and 57 1 times. 1 into what is numerator? 2. Okay. Now simplify. 8 3 is 24 minus 1 2 is 2 by 57. See minus to minus add 24 plus 2 minus 26 by 57. Okay. Now see here. This one simple, minus 2 by 3 plus 0. So you know very well 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. We will get the same whole number. So here also you will get minus 2 by 3. Did you understand this one? See next second Roman first question. See here this is second question in this first two. Okay. Now 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. Here also the denominators are not same. So find the LCM. Okay. Now how to find the LCM? 24 to 36. Which table is possible? 2 table. How many times? 12 times. This is 18 times. Okay. Now again 2 table. 6 times, 9 times. Again 2 table is not possible in this 2. Okay, then take 3 table. 2 times, 3 times. Again any table not possible. So multiply. What is that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 is 4, So 9 8s are 72. So what is this one? LCM. What is LCM? So LCM is equal to 72. Now write the question. 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36, that is equal to division bar. So after division bar, what we have to write? Write the LCM in the denominator. Write the LCM in the denominator. What is LCM? 72. Write 72 in place of denominator. Now 24 in 72. 24 in 72. How many times? 3 times. 3 into 24 3 is 72. 7 minus 36. 36 table. How many times? 2 times into this 70. Now 7 3 is 21. Next minus 17 2s 34 by 72. Now subtraction. 34 minus 21. 3 1. Big number before here. Big number before minus symbol. So write minus 13 by 72. Okay? Did you understand this sum? Now next one. See, do the next sum. Here also, what are denominators? Denominators are different denominators, so we have to find the LCM. Now 63 21. 63 21. Which table? 7 table. 7 table how many times? 9 times. 7 table 21 3 times. Now 3 table 3 times 1 time. So 3 3 is 9. 9 7 how much? 63. Now LCM is equal to 63. Now write the question. 5 by 63 minus plus 6 by 21. Now write division bar. In this division we have to write down 63 LCM. Then 63 how many times? 63 one time. 1 into 5 plus 21 table. How many times? 3 times. Into 6. 5 ones are 5 plus 6 threes are 18 by 63. Now 18 plus 5 23 by 63. Okay? Is it clear? Next third question. Minus 6 by 3 minus 7 by 50. Minus 6 by 3 minus plus 7 by 50. Okay. Now find LCM. Wait. This one 13. So right here 13 minus 6 by 13. Now find LCM to 13 and 15. 13 and 15 is possible in one table, not possible in one table. So multiply this one. That is called as LCM. So now LCM is equal to 13 into 15. 13 into 15. Multiply. 5 3 is 15. 1 carry. 5 1 5 plus 1 6. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 1. 5 9 1. So what is LCM? 195. 195 is the LCM. Now write same question. 1 by minus 6 by 13 plus 7 by 50. That is equal to division bar. Here in denominator we have to write the LCM. So 195. Now 13 table 195. How many times? So 13 15 is 195 means 15 times. So 15 into minus 6 plus 15 13s are 195. So 13 into 7. Now 15 6s are how much? 90. minus is there, so minus plus. Now 13 sevens. 13 sevens are 91 by 195. Now see, plus or minus, subtract 91 minus 91, 1 by 195. Okay. Now see second. Here 8 and 11 not possible in one table. So what we have to do? Multiply. 8 11s are 88. So LCM is equal to 88. Now write question. Minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 11. That is equal to division by. So in denominator write LCM. Okay. Now 8 table in 88. How many times? 11 times. 11 into minus 3. Now here minus, right? Minus 11 table 8 times. 8 into 7. Okay? 11 3s 33 minus 8 sevens 56 by 88. See here before minus symbol is there, so write minus. So minus or minus means we have to add 33. So this one add 33 plus 56 89. So minus symbol we have to write. Okay, is it clear?